Welcome back, dear viewers. We're thrilled to have you with us. For those new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more exciting content. Do you want to make $100,000 this 2024? If yes, then you've come to the right place. We all know how crucial passive income has become in these rapidly changing financial landscapes. In this video, we're exploring 10 remarkable ways to put your money to work, even when you're not actively involved. From the thrilling world of cryptocurrency investments to the promising universe of affiliate marketing with emerging products, we have a varied lineup to cater to all types of financial enthusiasts. We'll not only discuss these ideas, but we will delve into the potential benefits and risks tied to each, providing you with actionable insights for your money-making strategies. So, buckle up for an exhilarating financial journey. Stay tuned as we dive deep into these unique opportunities for earning passive income. Starting off with the first idea, cryptocurrency investments. In the world of finance, few topics are as hot-button and enigmatic as cryptocurrency. It's digital money, free from government control, that operates on technology known as the blockchain. It's like a ledger that's distributed across countless computers around the globe. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be an exciting avenue for generating passive income. Potential returns can be substantial, thanks to the volatile nature of these digital assets. Remember the story of Bitcoin? In less than a decade, it went from being worth less than $1 to reaching peak values of nearly $65,000. But hold your horses. The flip side of this coin is equally important. The same volatility that can lead to high returns can also result in significant losses. The crypto market is notoriously unpredictable, with prices swinging wildly on a daily basis. And it's not just about Bitcoin. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its unique features and potential for growth. Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, the list goes on. The key to successful crypto investing lies in research and staying updated. Understanding the technology behind these digital assets, keeping an eye on market trends, and being aware of regulatory changes can make all the difference. Remember, while the crypto market offers high returns, it's not without risks. Always do your research. You wouldn't want your digital gold to turn into digital dust overnight, would you? Moving on to our second idea, affiliate marketing. Now, this isn't a new concept, but it's one that's constantly evolving. With the rise of emerging products and services, affiliate marketing has become more lucrative than ever. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? To put it simply, it's a process where you promote other people's or companies' products and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. Consider this: you're essentially acting as a middleman, bridging the gap between consumers and producers. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit from each sale that you make. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to invest time or resources into creating a product. Instead, you can focus on finding the right audience for an existing product. How do you get started? First, identify a niche you're passionate about. This could be anything from tech gadgets to organic skincare products. Next, find affiliate programs within that niche. From Amazon to small local businesses, many companies offer affiliate programs. Sign up, get your unique affiliate link, and start promoting. You can do this through a blog, a YouTube channel, or even your social media accounts. Remember, the key is to provide valuable content that naturally incorporates your affiliate products. The potential earnings, they can vary greatly. Some affiliates make a few $100s a month, while others make thousands. It all boils down to your strategy and the effort you put in. With the right strategy, affiliate marketing can become a significant source of passive income. Next up on our list is peer-to-peer lending. This is an innovative form of lending where you lend money directly to individuals or small businesses through online platforms, bypassing traditional financial institutions. It's like playing the bank, but without the brick-and-mortar setup. The benefits are quite appealing. First, it's a win-win situation. Borrowers get access to funds without the rigmarole of traditional banking, and you, as the lender, can enjoy potentially higher returns than what's offered by conventional savings or investment products. But hold on, it's not all rosy. The risks are real too. Unlike banks, you don't have the same level of protection if a borrower defaults. The absence of a physical collateral could leave you high and dry. Plus, the regulatory landscape for peer-to-peer lending is still evolving, making it a bit of a wild west out there. So tread carefully. Peer-to-peer lending can be lucrative, but remember, higher returns come with higher risks. The fourth idea we have for you is real estate investments. Now don't get intimidated. It's not as complex as you might think. In fact, real estate can be a key player in your wealth-building strategy. So what is real estate investing? Well, it's essentially purchasing property with the goal of making a profit. There are several types of real estate investments you could consider. You've got residential properties like houses and apartments where you earn income from tenants. Then there are commercial properties such as office buildings and shopping centers. This can be a bit more complex but often with higher returns. For those who prefer not to be landlords, there's real estate investment trusts or REITs. Think of these as mutual funds for real estate. They allow you to invest in real estate without the need to physically own a property. This makes them accessible to anyone, even if you're not a real estate mogul. Of course, as with any investment, there are risks. Real estate markets can fluctuate and properties require maintenance. But with careful planning and research, these risks can be mitigated. The potential returns, they can be substantial. Rental income provides a steady cash flow, often exceeding typical stock dividends. Plus, properties often appreciate over time, providing the potential for a significant return when sold. In summary, whether you're renting out a single-family home, investing in a skyscraper, or buying shares in a REIT, real estate investments can provide steady passive income when done correctly. Halfway through our list, we have dropshipping. Now, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Thus, the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. The beauty of dropshipping is that it offers a low barrier of entry for entrepreneurs. You don't need a warehouse full of inventory to start an online business. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. You'll have to deal with intense competition and slim margins. Plus, you won't have control over the entire supply chain, which can lead to customer service challenges. However, the potential profits can be substantial if you can find the right niche and effectively market your products. All in all, dropshipping can be a profitable venture once you find the right niche. The sixth passive income idea is creating an online course. In this era of incessant digital learning, your expertise in a particular field can become a lucrative source of income. Creating an online course involves detailing your knowledge into a structured learning path. This could range from baking artisanal bread to mastering digital marketing strategies. The sky's the limit. The process is quite straightforward. You map out the course, create the content, and upload it onto a learning platform. There's a cornucopia of platforms to choose from like Udemy or Coursera. The earnings? They come as students enroll in your course. But remember, the key to a successful online course is providing value. You need to ensure that your course offers something unique or presents information in an innovative way. So if you've got a knack for teaching and a skill to share, why not monetize it? Your knowledge can indeed be your wealth with online courses. Coming up next is stock market investments. This classic avenue for passive income has been around for centuries. It's all about buying and holding shares of companies. As those companies grow and profit, so does your investment. Now don't be fooled by its age. The stock market can be as thrilling as a roller coaster ride. It's a dynamic world where the value of your investment can rise and fall with the tides of the market. But with potential risk also comes potential reward. Stock market investments can offer significant returns, especially if you're patient and strategic. It's about playing the long game. If you're willing to ride out the market's ups and downs, the potential for growth is considerable. However, remember this golden rule: never invest more than you're willing to lose. The stock market isn't a guaranteed win, but with careful planning, it can be a profitable venture. Investing in the stock market can yield high returns if done wisely. The eighth idea on our list is blogging. Now you might be thinking, blogging, that's so early 2000s. But let me tell you, blogging is still very much alive and kicking in 2024. The beauty of blogging is that it can be about literally anything. Your passion for gardening, your love for cooking, your insights into the world of finance, you name it. Now how does it generate passive income? 2 words: advertising and sponsored posts. With a substantial number of followers, advertisers will pay to get their products in front of your audience. And if you're considered an authority in your niche, companies might even sponsor your posts to promote their products or services. But remember, blogging requires a devoted audience. It takes time to build a following and a reputation. So, before you dive in, make sure you're ready to invest time and effort into creating valuable, engaging content. Blogging is a great way to share your passion while earning passive income. Next up, we have self-publishing, an exciting venture that's been gaining popularity over the years. With the rise of digital platforms, self-publishing has become an accessible and potentially lucrative source of passive income. So, what is self-publishing? Well, it's essentially the process of publishing your own work, typically in the form of ebooks, without going through a traditional publishing company. This means you, as the author, maintain full creative control and ownership over your content. The process involves writing your book, of course, but also includes editing, designing a cover, formatting for various platforms, and marketing. Now, don't let this intimidate you. There are numerous resources available online to help guide you through each step. As for potential earnings, they can vary greatly. Some authors make a few dollars, while others rake in thousands. It largely depends on the quality of your work and your marketing efforts. But remember, once your book is out there, it can continue to generate income without any further effort on your part. Self-publishing lets you take control of your work and profits. Last but not least, renting out property. The concept is as old as property ownership itself. However, don't let its age fool you. It's still a viable and profitable passive income idea in 2024. Whether you're renting out residential properties such as houses and apartments, or commercial properties like office spaces, or even vacation properties for short-term stays, the options are endless. You could even consider more unconventional options like renting out unused portions of your own home. The potential earnings here can be substantial, depending on the location and type of property. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are costs involved, such as maintenance and potential vacancies. But with careful planning and management, these can be mitigated to a great extent. In essence, renting out property is about making your assets work for you, rather than the other way around. Renting out property can provide a steady stream of passive income. And there you have it, the top 10 passive income ideas for 2024. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the financial waters, these strategies offer a variety of ways to see your money grow. From the virtual world of cryptocurrency to the tangible realm of real estate, there's a passive income stream to suit everyone's taste and risk tolerance. Cryptocurrency investments, for instance, have been on the rise, with potential for substantial returns. But remember, it's a volatile market, so proceed with caution. Affiliate marketing, on the other hand, is relatively low risk, and can be a lucrative venture if you partner with emerging products in high-demand niches. Perhaps you're more interested in the sharing economy. Peer-to-peer lending platforms offer a chance to earn interest on your loans, while renting out property, whether it's a room or an entire home, can provide a steady income stream. For those with an entrepreneurial spirit, creating an online course, dropshipping, or blogging could be your ticket to passive income. These methods require some upfront work but can generate revenue long after the initial effort. If you're a wordsmith, consider self-publishing. It's never been easier to share your knowledge or creativity and earn royalties in the process. And let's not forget about stock market investments, a classic route to passive income. But as with any investment, it's important to do your homework and diversify your portfolio. Each of these ideas has its own set of benefits and risks, but they all share one common trait: the potential to create income that doesn't require your constant attention. It's about making your money work for you, instead of the other way around. So, take a moment to reflect on these ideas. Consider your skills, your interests, and your resources. Which of these strategies aligns with your financial goals? Which one sparks your curiosity or excitement? Remember, the best passive income source for you depends on your skills, interests, and resources. So, choose wisely and start earning. That's it for our top 10 passive income ideas for 2024. We hope you found these ideas insightful and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't let the conversation end here. We want to know what you think about these income ideas. Do you have a favorite? Maybe you've tried one of these before, or perhaps there's a passive income stream we didn't mention that you'd like to share. Drop a comment below and let us know. Your feedback helps us create content that is both useful and engaging. And hey, why not hit that notification bell while you're at it? That way you won't miss any of our future videos. We've got plenty more tips, strategies, and insights to help you on your financial journey. And remember, the best passive income source for you depends on your skills, interests, and resources. So choose wisely and start earning. Until next time.